Okay, here our second question is conversion of decimal number 25.75 into binary number whose base is 2. So this before the point we convert this 25 by using double double method, and later on after point this 0.75 is converted by using weighted register method. So we start our process. First we write 25 here. First we convert the 25 in form of binary. Later on we will convert this 0.75 into binary. So first we convert 25, same as first we divide 25 by 2. So in 12 times it is divided, we get remainder as 1, then 2 6 times remainder as 0, then 2 3 times remainder as 0, then 2 1 times remainder as 1. So what is the conversion of 25 in binary? What is the conversion of 25 in binary? In 25 conversion we will get 11001. Okay, now we have to convert this 0.75. Now we have to convert this 0.75. Okay, so we will write here 0.75. Okay, now this 0.75 is multiplied by 2. So when we multiplied 0.75, so what we will get? We will get 1.50. Okay, so in 1.50 this 1 is in integer, so we will extract this integer 1 here. So what is remainder? We will get 0.50. After extracting 1 from here we will get 0.50 here. Then again we will multiply 0.50 with 2. What we will get? We will get this one, 1.00. Again we will extract integer part here, so we extracted 1 here. Now what is remainder? Remainder is 0.00. So when we multiplied it by 0, what we will get? We will get 0.00. Okay, so what is the integer part here? The integer part is 0. Okay, so in the conversion of decimal number, in the conversion of integer number, we moves from downwards to upward, but in the conversion of fractional part we will moves toward upward to downward. Okay, so when we convert 0.75, when we convert 0.75 into binary, so what we will get? We will get 110. So after combining this 25 and 0.25, we can write it as, we can write here 25.75. The combination of this one and this one. Okay, so we will write 11001, and then we will add 1 point here, and then we will write 110. Okay, so this one is the final conversion. This one is the final conversion of decimal number into binary. Thank you so much.